Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make images move in Capcut PC. So first, import your picture and then drag your picture down below here. If you want to extend or if you want to make it longer, you just have to drag it to the right. And then go to video, tap basic, go to transform, and then look in this add keyframe right here. And what you're going to do is you have to go back to that image and then select the part where you want to add keyframe. For example, this one, tap add keyframe and then move a little bit. Now try to resize and then move the picture wherever you want. And then another keyframe again here. Tap this add keyframe. And then from this side, you have to move again the picture wherever you want. For example, I want to move it right here. Okay, after that, you have to move again and then tap add keyframe. And then you have to move the picture again. Then move the line and then add keyframe again. And then move the picture wherever you want. And as a result, this is what it looks like. So when you go and play this, the image is now moving. As simple as that. You can try other effects right here. You can add more effects. You can change the position or the movement of the image or of the cat right here. But basically, this is how you make images move in CapCut PC. Just add keyframe and then move the image, and that's it. So I really hope that this video somehow helped you. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to see more content like this and tutorials like this. See you again in our next video.